How to enable voice access on your Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up and use your voice access on Android. First off, you want to go over to your settings menu. From settings, scroll down until you find accessibility settings and then tap on it. Now from there, go over to interaction and dexterity, and you can easily find voice access right below assistant menu. Tap on it. So if this is your first time, you need to go ahead and set up your voice access. So it will give you a few sentences and words you need to speak up and set up your voice access by following the on-screen prompts. To toggle it on, tap on the toggle button at the top, then tap on allow, and you've successfully turned on voice access. Now, as you can see, you can speak to voice access and controls uh, totally hand-free, and you can just try go home, go back, show notifications, click OK, open photos, and commands like those. You can go over to settings to further customize your voice access, and you're going to be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you enable voice access on your Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.